Open the Node Video app and then click on New and select the ratio to 1:1 and then click on plus and fill and add a solid layer. Click on this 3 line and set the duration to okay. Now here we go. Click on plus icon, then marks and then shape marks and see it connected and click on it and then give a keyframe in the starting and another keyframe in the middle of the clip and then select the first keyframe and decrease the value to 0 and then click on the second keyframe and increase it full. Okay, now here is done and then again click on plus, then again marks, again shape marks and now again connected and you can see your timeline here. Just add a keyframe here and then select this keyframe and decrease the value to 0 and then another keyframe in the ending and then select that ending keyframe and increase the value to full. Okay, then scroll down and off this invert option. Okay, so as you can see the result. Now again click on plus icon, then acid store and then glow and pause this option and decrease this value to 0 and select color by your choice. I'm selecting red. Okay, yes, that is done. Okay, we use this transition, just add 2 clips and place this transition in the middle of both clip and now you can see the result. Yes. Now you can simply download it.